Alright, I have a 2014 Toyota Corolla. It's stuffed right here in the back corner. It's getting a new quarter panel and the floor extension that's inside of here. You can't really see it right now, but I'm going to go ahead and pull all this out and then cut the quarter panel off. There it is. Now I have this floor extension, which is this piece right here. I got a new one of those. It's all wadded up. I'm going to go ahead and cut that piece out now as well. I made this top cut. There's no actual measurement per the sheet where they want it cut at, so I did roughly where the picture shows. And then the bottom there actually is a measurement. They want it 320 millimeters down from this hole right there. So I measured down 320 millimeters, and I'm gonna make my final cut. I got this quarter panel roughly sitting on here enough so I can make sure this floor extension is exactly where I want it, and it looks like it fits up to the quarter really well. So I'm going to go ahead and weld that piece in. Then I'll start getting the quarter panel ready to go on for good. Alright, I got this quarter panel all fit up. I got the door gap looking good. The tail light and the trunk lid both fit good. So I gotta take it back off to put glue, because there's glue that goes in this area. So how I finish inside the trunk jam here all depends on the car. Different ones are finished differently. On this one, it actually has seam sealer, real thin seam sealer with brush strokes, light brush strokes in it. So I'm going to brush it, and then when it's dry, I'll take my sander and I'll flatten it out so it's nice and smooth with light strokes in it. I'm going to smooth out these brush strokes now that that's dry, and then I'll match the other side.